All right, everyone, now that we've defined the four walls with dimensions and added a concrete floor to it, our utility shed, let's put a roof on top of it. So to do that, we need to go not in the first floor plan, we need to go to the roof plan. So we'll double click on that and that will bring us in. And it does get grayed out because now we're looking down on top of it. We're actually in the roof plan drawing. And what we see are the four walls sitting on top of the concrete. So I want to add a roof. I'm going to click the roof button, and there's a couple of different types of roofs. We're going to want roof by footprint. And what that's asking for, like the floor, we're going to give the boundaries of the roof. So we're going to be defining these four walls. But what's important is we also have to define the slope of the roof. Since it's a gable roof, we have to define which way we want the gable to slope. And we want it to slope to this wall and to this wall. So before I do anything, I want to make sure this button is checked. Define slope, and I want to make sure we have a 1 foot overhang. All right, so for the first two walls, we're going to leave defines slope checked. Let's click on this wall and this wall. And you could see that this is going to be a 9/12 pitch. Those are my sloped walls. I'm then going to uncheck define slope and go back and select the other two walls. All right, so before I hit the green check mark, when I do so, I should see a ridge down the middle with the slope going from the center this way. So if I hit the green check, everything looks good. Let's look at it in 3 dimensions. Okay, the roof is fine. It has asphalt shingles on it. The only problem is, obviously, it's not in the right spot. So what do? Basic simple problem. Sometimes this will do this. It depends what the settings on your computer are. But if this does happen, all you need to do is select the roof, because we can change anything we want after we created it. What we really need to do is just redefine where the roof is going to be. Right now it's up in the air somewhere. If we go up here to our properties tab, it says base level. Right now it's set to roof. We want it to be to top of wall, which is the one I had made before. And when we do that, we see that the roof now comes down, is sitting right on the top of the wall. If I go to an elevation view, you'll see that is exactly where we want it to be. Before, this was actually up here. And we'll change this later on, but right now this is what you should have. All right, now the only problem is that this wall, we want this to be a wall here as well. We want this wall to go all the way to the top as well as this wall. So to do that, we need to select the wall, and then we're going to go up here to attach top base, and it's going to want to know, what do I want to attach it to? I want to attach it to the roof, and it does it. We can do that for this wall too. Select the wall, attach top base, select the roof, all set. So there's our finished shed with the roof and the walls connected to it. Now we do see also that this wall here also has to be attached, right? Because if you look, there's a gap right through the middle there. Let's go back to our elevation view. So this is not correct yet either. So let's fix that. Same thing, we're going to select the wall, attach top base, select the roof, and we now see that it is correct. This wall also has to do the same thing. Okay. So this is ready to go. We have the roof connected to the walls. The walls are extended all the way to the roof, and the walls are sitting on a concrete slab. The next thing we're going to do is put in some windows and some doors and look at how to do that.